2.
Hey Sandra, Xavier here from Tameron Hyundai. Thank you for your inquiry on the Sonata. As you see, I have one on the showroom right behind me. This is a beautiful vehicle. If you notice this cascading honeycomb grille, our LED wraparound headlights. This vehicle also comes equipped with premium alloy wheels and tons of our latest safety features like blind spot detection and lane keep assist. Follow me, I'll show you inside. This vehicle also will come equipped with a 7-inch touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay as well as Android CarPlay, heated seats, cool seats, heated steering wheel, a panoramic sunroof, ventilated leather, but that's not the best part about it. The best part about this vehicle here is going to be the warranty. Our warranty here is going to be 5 years, 60,000 mile bumper to bumper, as well as a 20-year, 200,000 mile powertrain warranty exclusively here at Tameron. So if you would, give me a call, 205-886-0890. Gonna love the way you treat it here at Tameron.